of the family of parabolas with focus at the origin and x-axis as axis. So the parabola having the axis as x-axis and origin as focus. So in this case we take a diagram like this. This is origin, x-axis and y-axis. This is the parabola. The equation of the parabola, equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Here the vertex of this parabola is x is equal to minus a comma 0. Minus a comma 0 means this is the vertex a, minus a comma 0, and the focus is 0 comma 0. Here it is the vertex. So from this equation we want to remove the arbitrary constant small a by using differentiation. So that's why applying the derivative on both sides with respect to x, 2y into y1 is equal to 4a. That implies y1 by 2 is equal to a. Substituting the value of a in the given equation, that is y square is equal to 4 into y1 by 2 into x plus y1 by 2. Now these two are cancelled. Xy square is equal to xy into y1 plus 2 into 2 to cancel plus y square y1 square. Now that is equal to y1 minus y1 minus 1 into y square plus 2xy into y1 is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. 7. The differential equation of the family of curves y square is equal to 2c into x plus root c, where c is greater than 0, is of order and degree. So that means we remove the arbitrary constant c from this equation, then we form a differential equation. Then what is the order of the differential equation and what is the degree of the differential equation? That is the given question. So first of all we want to remove the arbitrary constant from the given equation. So that's why given equation is y square is equal to 2c into x plus root c. Applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. 2y into y1. The differential equation of the family of curves y square is equal to 2c into x plus root c, where c is greater than 0, is of order and degree. Now the given equation is y square is equal to 2c into x plus root c. From this equation we want to remove the arbitrary constant by differentiation. Then we get the equation. Then what is the order and the degree of that differential equation? That is the given question. So that's why first of all we want to remove the arbitrary constant. So that's why we are applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y square is 2y into y1, that is equal to 2c. That implies c is equal to y into y1. Substituting this c is equal to y by 1 on the given equation, that is y square is equal to 2 into y by 1 into x plus root of y by 1. Now y is cancelled on both sides, that is y is equal to 2x into y1 plus 2 into y1 to the power 3 by 2 into root y. That is a given differential equation. Now this is y is equal to 2x into dy by dx plus 2 root y into dy by dx all to the power 3 by 2. Here the order of the differential equation is dy by dx. Order is 1 and the degree is 3. If dy by dx is equal to y plus 3 is greater than 0 and y of 0 is equal to 2, then y into log 2 is, that means given equation is dy by y plus 3 is equal to dx. Now integrate on both sides. 1 by y plus 3 is log of y plus 3 is equal to x plus c. That is the integration of the given equation. Given y of 0 is equal to 2. That implies when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So log of y means 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus c. So that implies c is equal to log 5. Therefore, log of y plus 3 is equal to x plus log 5. This is the equation. Then what is the value of y of log 2? So that implies here x is log 2. Log of y plus 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 5. Log of y plus 3 to the base e is equal to log mn. That means log 10 to the base e. Now that implies y plus 3 is equal to 10. That is y is equal to 7 is the required equation. If y is equal to f of x is the solution of the differential equation 2 plus sin x by y plus 1 into dy by dx plus cos x is equal to 0 with y of 0 is equal to 1, then y of pi by 2 is. So here we write this one as answer is 1 by 2 plus sin x by y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus cos x. So that implies 1 by y plus 1 into dy is equal to minus cos x into dx by 2 plus sin x. Now applying integral on both sides, integral 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to minus cos x dx by 2 plus sin x. Now it is 1 by f dash x by fx, that means log of y plus 1 is equal to, this is also f dash x by fx minus log 2 plus sin x plus c.